By the end of today's lesson, you'll be able to use the Ruby REPL to test basic Ruby syntax. The Ruby REPL, which stands for Read, Eval, Print Loop, is called IRB, which is short for Interactive Ruby. You can launch IRB from the command line by typing IRB. IRB's default prompt is shown in the snippet, and you can start writing Ruby code. Throughout the rest of this course, code snippets will use a simplified prompt, a double greater than symbol. If you want, you can change IRB's prompt on your own machine by creating a file called .irbrc in your home directory and adding the following lines. Looking a little bit closer at this file, you can see we're essentially just setting the prompt mode to simple and setting the auto indent mode to false. If you now save this file, exit IRB, and then run IRB again, you'll see a simpler prompt. Once you're content with IRB's configuration, you can type the command puts hello world. The puts command simply prints a string to the console. As expected, the string hello world is printed, and additionally, you may have noticed the nil value. That indicates that the return value for puts is nil. Finally, a new prompt has appeared so that you can continue writing Ruby code. To exit the REPL, simply use the exit command. Now we're going to do this together. So what you need to do next is open a console and initiate the interactive Ruby shell by typing IRB into the console. And you should now see the Ruby prompt. In all future examples, you'll see a simplified prompt, but the actual prompt you see depends on your individual configuration. Now we're going to put a few simple strings into the console. And so now you are able to use the Ruby REPL and test out some basic Ruby syntax.